Assalamualaikum, salam sejahtera semua warga dentis di Indonesia. I am Dr. Eshamsul Sulaiman dari Malaysia, spesialis prosthodontics di Fakulti Pergigian Universiti Malaya in Kuala Lumpur. Today, I've just finished conducting 2-day implant workshop, basic implantology course in Jakarta, Indonesia. I had a wonderful 2-day course with wonderful participants from many places in Indonesia who are eager, enthusiastic to learn about basic implantology. The course covered from comprehensive implant planning to comprehensive implant prosthodontics. So including in the course also hands-on workshop, suturing technique, in implant placement, in the model, and also various impression technique and specialized impression using modified impression coping. So I would like to take this opportunity to express my thank you, my sincere gratitude to the organizing team of Cobra Dental and also supplier for IZEN Implant in Indonesia. So it has been wonderful to know them, to appreciate hard work to make this course successful. Hopefully the participants learn from the course and hopefully they will start placing implant and practice safe implant dentistry. And I would like to also mention about in the course we have also introduced the impression taking using digital technology, intraoral scanning, in particular the Shining 3D, which is supported by the Cobra Dental. So overall, I enjoyed my stay, my 2-day stay in Jakarta to be with wonderful team of Cobra Dental and with enthusiastic small group of Indonesian dentists. So with that, I would like to thank you, Cobra Dental, as well as IZEN, for giving me the opportunity to share my knowledge with some dentists in Indonesia.